you guys, it is my 40th birthday. We're gonna do a whole get ready with me. You guys can see how I do my hair, makeup, outfit, everything to get ready to go to a dinner with some friends and family and celebrate my 40th birthday. These are the earrings that I'm gonna be wearing. They're so cute. I feel like they're so feminine and they're so me. I love them. This is the necklace that I'm gonna wear, which I'm gonna put on right now. Super dainty and pretty. It's this one. I love it. It was $9.99 from, it's just costume jewelry. It's not real, obviously. It was $9.99 from TJ Maxx. Okay, so I got my, cute. You guys see that? I feel like it's gonna come forward as the night progresses. Oh, this is so cute. I got my straightener on. This is a wet to straight. I believe they don't make this anymore, but I'm gonna take bits and pieces of my hair and get to straightening. It only takes me like 5 minutes to straighten my hair. So I just air dried it out of the shower. I just took an everything shower. I don't know how I'm going to split my hair, how I'm going to part it. I think I'm going to part it straight down the middle. See how fast that straightens? Just super fast. So I did recently cut my hair. My best friend cut it at her salon. Ow, I just burnt my neck. But she took off 2 inches. Everyone says it looks the same, but I don't think it looks the same. Hi. Hi. What you doing?
Nothing.
What you doing, sister?
Wait, we're playing and doing flips.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice.
Getting ready?
Yeah.
What time is Stevie and Bronx gonna be here?
5:30, I think.
Okay. You should make a list of things that we can do and things that we cannot do.
Okay.
Do you have a garbage here?
No.
Wait, what? I asked her if she had a garbage.
To the right. You know what song I have stuck in my head? To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. I remember back in the day, out at Jack Diddley's in Kennewick, Washington, we would be in the club dancing, and every single night, and at the bar, I feel like every single night when it was closing time and it was 2 o'clock in the morning and they were shutting everything down, the lights were coming on, they would play that song and we would be all drunk, like dancing the song and everything. Good times. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. Ow. Yeah, I'm gonna part it down the middle. What do you guys think? Part it down the middle? Ow. Okay, so my hair's all done. It's all straightened. I hope it's straightened enough in the back. But I decided to part it to the side, and it needs a little bit of hairspray. I use the Herbal Essences Volume Hairspray. And I spray the tiniest bit of hairspray because it's super staticky. And then I'll give it a good tease. Oh my gosh, look how staticky my hair is. It's because I just washed it. I was telling my best friend, I hate my hair when I just wash it. I like dirty hair, like 24 hours dirty hair, 1 or 2 days dirty hair, not fresh, clean hair day of, because when you have fresh, clean hair, your hair doesn't do what you want it to do. So I like my hair a little bit dirty. So today I washed my hair. Now my hair's super clean and it's not doing what I want it to do. Might as well put these on. And then I use some of this Magic Root Cover Up. You guys already know why. You guys already know why. It's because my hair's thinning. Now I'm going to zoom my makeup. I kind of feel like these earrings are a little bit much. I don't know. Okay, makeup time. Oh, this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. You guys suggested this to me, and this stuff right here works wonders. Magic Eraser by Maybelline. I'm not even gonna get it wet. Sometimes I don't get my sponge wet. I've been having these crazy under eye circles. I feel like my eyebrows are too light. Now I'm gonna go in with my Infallible Pro Matte by L'Oreal. Oh my gosh, it's running out. There we go. No. Again with the what's it called, concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this Merit Beauty that I have a discount code for you guys. I have a whole bag of PR from them. This is all from Merit that I'm going to show you guys in another vlog. But it's all great makeup. This bronzing stick right here, you guys, is amazing. I go in my nose. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my powder bronzer. This is Hoola Toasted. You guys always make fun of me because you say I don't know how to use bronzer. Okay, so I did mess up a little bit, but nothing a little concealer won't fix. So I feel like my eyebrows are too light, so I'm gonna go back in with this NYX Lift and Snatch. It works so good. Look at my eyebrows now and then look at them in a second. Now look at them. They look a little bit more lifelike and darker, and there's like little hair strokes in them. The stuff right here, this NYX Lift and Snatch, is so good. So, so good. Now I need some blush. I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette, but I feel like it's a little bit too light for my skin. It's really pretty colors. It's all of these. I've been using this one, and this one, but I feel like I'm getting darker in the summer with all the sun, and it's getting too light for my skin. So I'm gonna go in with my Champagne Pop. The bridge of my nose, some right there, some right there, a little bit here and a little bit there. I like a good highlighted nose. Okay. And then I'll put some down like right here when I get my dress on. I use either Ardell or Wispy lashes. Either or, I kind of fluctuate back and forth between the two. And then I use the Duo glue. This stuff works so good. Okay, lashes are done. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Lights Camera Lashes and just kind of put some more on. I put mascara on my false lashes. A lot of people don't, but I do. Should I do eyeshadow or no? Eyes are done. What else? That's it. I just need to do my lips, which is downstairs. Should I just do a gloss? Okay, so my birthday makeup's all done. How do you guys like it? Oh, and then I forgot, so I won't get oily throughout the night. I'm gonna spray on my face some Urban Decay De-Slick. It's makeup setting spray for oil control. So good. And I put eyeshadow on, if you can see. I used my Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup palette. I don't even know if they make this guy anymore. But, and then on my lips, I'm gonna bring two options. I'm gonna bring this Vanilla Cream Pie NYX Buttercream Gloss. And then I'm also gonna bring my Stila lippy that I have been wearing and loving. Almost 5 o'clock. I feel like I should get ready now. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. These are my Spanx. I got these from TJ Maxx, a 2-pack for $10.99, you guys, and they work amazing. Like when I say amazing, they work so good. They hold it all in. Here is my romper that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna bring this backup dress. I have another dress for the 4th too. Actually, let me show you guys. This is the 4th of July dress that I'm gonna be wearing on the 4th. It's by the brand Rewind, and I got it from Kohl's. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna take this dress for backup for my birthday dinner and then put this dress on right now. Okay, my bathroom is a disaster, so beware. So this is my birthday outfit. Hope you guys like it. I got a little stain right here, but it's fine. This is just a really cute romper. My hair's done, my makeup's done. I'm wearing these heels. I put so much lotion on my feet, you guys, that my shoes are like, my feet are like slipping out of these heels. So I'm gonna go.
I lose my breath